Hello, Alex here. So today I want to share a quick information how to check the Microsoft Excel version in your PC. So let's launch the Excel. So at the launching page here, go to the bottom right corner. Then you can see here account. Just click on the account. Then you will see here. So this is your Microsoft version. I'm using Office 365, so this is a subscription version. So if you are using 2016 or 2019, so you should see your Microsoft license here. Thanks for watching.